House. Srishti, we've seen the kind of security that has been set up in Patiala House. We also saw the bomb threats that happened just this morning in Patiala House Court, in Saket Court, and different district courts. So security, of course, has been beefed up. Can you tell us anything more about the arrangements that have been put in Patiala House Court?
Well, yes, Anisha, since we know the accused was to be produced before the court today, the security deployment was something that we'd expected. However, we saw quite a chaotic situation here at Patiala House Court ahead of the production today because of the bomb threats, as you referred to. The bomb threats at various district courts across Delhi. Proper security measures were taken ahead of its production. There was a proper sanitization that was done after the bomb threat was received. As far as Patiala House Court is concerned, the bomb threat became more of a concerning point because this second accused arrested by NIA in the bomb blast case was to be produced today. We are thinking that it is possible that because of those bomb threats, his production was maybe delayed a bit, because yesterday the first accused was produced in the morning. Today we saw him be brought to court in the afternoon. So it's possible that it's because of the bomb threat situation that his production got delayed a bit. But regardless of that, he has been brought to Patiala House Court. The hearing of he's been produced now before the district judge, and the hearing is going on as we speak. NIA will be telling the court all the grounds on which it is seeking custodial interrogation and a police custody for the second accused that they have arrested in this case. The reason the second accused his arrest becomes extremely crucial is because if we try and analyze, Anisha, the allegations that NIA has put against him, and again, this is not a statement from NIA, but if we just try to analyze the allegations against this accused that have come from the NIA, they have said that not only did he conspire with the suicide bomber in conducting the Delhi bomb blast, he was also being asked by the suicide bomber. He was being prepared to conduct a similar suicide bomb attack. Now, if we try and analyze that allegation, it shows that maybe there was a possibility of a similar attack, similar blast at a different location, maybe in a different state. Not just that, it's also an allegation against this accused that he was helping the suicide bomber in as far as the technicalities are concerned. He was giving him technical support, modifying drones and preparing rockets. So the preparation aspect of it, where he was being prepared to conduct a suicide attack, he was being asked to prepare rockets and modify drones, does in a way take us to consider the possibility of maybe another similar attack being planned either in Delhi or at any other location. So I think NIA is likely to very seriously probe that angle as well, and for that they will need time to question them in custody, because these days of custodial interrogation that they will have a chance to have a one-on-one interaction with these accused, a chance to confront them with the evidence that has been collected, a chance to also confront them with each other, is extremely crucial of a case of this nature, because NIA has very clearly claimed that there was a larger conspiracy. A chain of events took place to conduct this operation, and especially if there's a possibility that multiple attacks were being planned, it is very crucial for NIA to determine what exactly was being planned and where. So that's why these arrests play a very important role, not just in the Delhi bomb blast probe, but also with regard to the safety and security situation of not just the national capital, but also the country. It's likely that that NIA would want to take these accused to different locations to determine exactly what was happening. The first accused, yesterday, NIA had told court that they want to take him to Kashmir, subject to the safety conditions there. They had said that he assisted the suicide bomber in arranging a safe house. They saw him visit the safe house. There's CCTV footage which shows how deeply and seriously he's implicated, and he was involved in this entire conspiracy. NIA in this case, the agency is probing its leads not just in Delhi but also in multiple states, be it Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, all these states, the leads are being probed. It's an extremely important operation for the NIA as well. And these accused who have been arrested after multiple people were questioned. Remember, 73 witnesses, almost 73 witnesses were questioned by the NIA in this case, including some of those who were injured in the Delhi bomb blast. Several people were detained, and after that, these 2 arrests have taken place. So the agency is very clearly not taking this lightly at all, and therefore these 2 arrests and the time that the
Srishti, stay on
agency
with
gets
me.